Hi, Jonas. Do you have the hiccups? Silly baby. Got the hiccups. Hiccup. Hiccup. Say hi. Say hi, Aunt Kiki. Say hi, Auntie Anastasia. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's another hiccup. And you say, look, my eyes are open. Oh. And I have a full belly. Life is good. Grandma fed me a bottle. Are you a pretty boy? Are you a pretty boy? I love you, Jonas. Yeah, you got a stuffy nose. That's no fun. No fun at all. Alright. Let's say bye-bye. We're showing off your hiccups. Say bye-bye. Did you just wave? That's really cute. Bye-bye.